TATE Plastering Trowel CNC stud welding machine. Designed with precision and performance in mind, this machine is tailored specifically for the automated welding of plastering trowels. It features a single welding head paired with 2 workstations, allowing operators to load and unload one workstation while the other is actively welding. This smart, alternating workflow eliminates downtime, ensuring uninterrupted production and maximum efficiency. Every weld is controlled by an advanced CNC system, delivering consistent position, depth, and strength, ensuring each trowel meets strict quality standards. The machine is easy to operate, requires minimal training, and is built to withstand the demands of continuous operation. Whether you're running small batches or large-scale production, it adapts to your pace and volume with reliability and speed. And as the direct manufacturer, TATE provides factory direct pricing, faster delivery, and hands-on technical support, with no middlemen involved. Get better results, reduce your costs, and streamline your workflow with TATE, the smarter choice in stud welding automation.